Sit. Sweta Sinha. Sweta. Okay, how about you, Sweta?
And what about you?
I'm also fine. May I know about your brief introduction?
Yeah, I'm Shweta Sinha from Patna, Bihar. I have completed BE from Chennai, Vinayaka Mission University. After completing my BE, I started doing job there itself. And my last company is Concentrix.
Okay, so it was in Gurgaon,
No, Chennai itself.
in Chennai Concentrix. Okay, so why did you leave from there?
I have some medical issue, because of that only I left.
Okay,
I asked them to transfer here, but they said like no, it's not possible because of that only.
how much you were getting over there? 21k
Yes.
in Chennai. And why did you go in Chennai for the job purpose?
Not about job purpose only. I started doing BTech there itself. I have completed my BE in Chennai itself.
Bachelor of Electronics.
Yes.
Then you have joined Carby DigiConnect
Yes.
in Noida.
No, all in Chennai only.
It's also present in Chennai. Oh my
Yes.
god.
Recently, I have shifted Delhi actually.
Okay.
Yes, 1 week before only.
Okay, you haven't mentioned your contact number. What's your contact number? Could you please mention it? Okay, so what were your job responsibility in Concentrix?
Operational representative.
Okay, means what were your job responsibility?
It's
It
like
is the designation
telecalling
name.
only.
Telecalling. So what you had to do in telecalling? You had to take calls or what?
Yes, for Karur Vashya Bank.
Okay.
KVB.
And what
It's a Kasha calling.
Kasha calling means?
I have to inform customer about account details and all. And if it's online, then we have to inform about video KYC and all.
Okay. And in Carby, what were your job responsibilities?
It's a India Bulls process.
India Bull process.
Dhania.
Dhania. So what were your job
That
responsibilities?
also it's a loan process actually. We have to say a loan through Dhani app.
Okay. So do you know what is logistic? What is the meaning of logistics and all?
Logistic.
Yeah.
It's like travel travel.
So have you worked for that?
No, I
Okay. So you don't have experience of that.
don't have. Okay.
And here you have to provide troubleshooting steps. Like you have to
Okay.
take calls of mobile phones. Like customer will contact you, and he will tell or she will tell you that he is facing these challenges.
Some issues.
Yeah, and you have to provide the troubleshooting steps.
Okay.
Guide how to resolve the concern. So are you comfortable with that job?
Yeah, I'm fine with that, but salary is very low actually.
Yeah, but for salary which you came here, like for SME profile, for that profile you should have experience in logistic.
Okay, no, so I don't have.
Yeah, that's why I am offering you the another position, because we have a bulk hiring in that.
Okay. So it's like troubleshooting, right?
Yeah, troubleshooting steps. However, we have some more appliances like laptop, TV and all, but initially you have to take challenge as a mobile phone, because you will be more comfortable if you provide troubleshooting stuff for mobile phone, because you are familiar with it.
Yes, yes.
Which mobile phone do you use?
Android and iPhone both I have.
So, and in Android, which phone you are using? What is the model name
OnePlus Nord
and what is the specification?
Space. Check.
So these things will be asked to you in the next round, because you have done already BTech. So it is a
Yes.
good opportunity for you. In future, you can also show that that you have worked for the technical process. Might be possible you will get a good position here, because there are some certain position where you have to provide guidance to the engineers who are working in service centers all over country.
Okay.
Okay. So are you interested for this profile?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will promoting you for the next round. Next round will be taken by the manager, who is Vishwajit. Okay. He will check whether you are comfortable or not for the training purpose. Now it's up to you how you can convince him. Okay. Yeah. Any
So
question?
about what they'll ask about it, like about troubleshooting and all, something or about mobile phone and all. What?
See, you have to provide troubleshooting step. Like if somebody is telling you that he is facing hanging issue with the handset, you have to provide basic troubleshooting steps. If it is resolving the concern, then that is fine. If it doesn't resolve the concern, in that case you have to provide the service center details. Like you can visit the service center and you can get it checked by the technician over there.
Okay. What I have asked you, like manager, right?
Yeah, you have to wait for some time. Manager will ask you some questions, some basic question, then he will ask.
Basic question
Yeah.
only they'll ask.
Yeah.
Because
There
I
are-
don't have experience in that, so that I have asked you.
No issue. He will guide you in future. If he think you are trainable, then he will teach you for
Yeah.
the third round. Third round would be very easy. Okay, already you have experience of concentrics and carvi, so you have an age for that.